Hi guys, Millie here. Well, I'm just doing a quick tutorial to show you my daily routine. Okay guys, so I know my hair doesn't look great today. That's because I'm going to do a hair tutorial next on how I straighten it. And I don't know if you can tell, but I've had my ears pierced. And I've been wearing them for a long time. But anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so first, you just take a wipe. Any sort of makeup wipe or skin wipe that you want to use, your favourite, or you can use a moisturiser, it's totally up to you. And I'm using these Primark Beauty ones. These are oil balancing cleansing wipes with tea tree, and this is £1 for 2 packs, which is really inexpensive. So every time I go shopping I try and get like one of these because they really do last me a long time, and you've got 25 wipes in, and I go shopping about, so altogether you get 50 wipes every time you buy a pack for £1, and I go shopping about once a month, so I try, and if I need some more I'll get some, but if I've got some left then I'll just keep them, because you don't need to use 50 wipes, like, because you've got like 1 pack for the mornings and then a pack for the nights when you want to remove your makeup, and then you've got like spares. So I do get like a pack every month. I just got a text message, but I'm just going to ignore that because I'm making a video. Okay, once you finish with it, just put it in the bin. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm on to the daily routine. First, I apply some foundation, which is L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable in the shade True Beige, and it's SPF 17 and oil free. It's like a powdery, moussey sort of thing, just allow your face to dry. Okay, so it's time for the foundation. Just grab a sponge, or you can use any sponge you want, but this is like a foundation sponge, and just apply that all over your face. I don't know why I'm telling you to apply it all over your face, because you guys probably already know how foundation works. So yeah, really don't ask me why I said that. I don't really know myself. And if you you've got some excess, just go underneath. Okay. Now it's time for the concealer. Now I use 2 concealers. Both of them are from Avon, so I think everyone around the world gets Avon. So this is kind of helpful. So you can all get these. But I don't think they stock these anymore. But it is a really 2 great products. Okay. So the first one I use is the what is that? Sorry, I've kind of got some Vaseline on the side of that. That was blue. So okay, Clear Skin, Avon Clear Skin Blemish Clearing Stick. This is in the shade medium, and I just do this. Sorry, I do this where I want to, you know, blemish clear. And I also kind of use this as a contour stick as well, because this is the one I rub in and then the other one I pat in. So yeah, I do put it on my eyebrows because it just kind of shapes them. I don't know how to explain it, but it does. It helps shape the eyebrows. Oops. Okay, a bit more. And sometimes if I want, I sometimes apply this onto the lips, just because I want to do that. And now I'm using my Avon Colour Trend one. I don't know exactly what this is called, but this is really super blendable, and it's super easy to use as well. So I just dab that where I want it. And yeah, I dab this, so yeah, sometimes I do like this go. I think I've done up there. And I just put some on the lips. I don't know, it keeps your lipstick on better, or lip gloss. really put some on your lips. I rub it on the nose. I just pat it with your index finger. Just tap it in. Thought I heard a noise, but obviously not, since I'm the only one in the house right now. But my brother might be back. Oh, I'll tell you the story after I've made this video, and I'll post it. And I'll call it the story. Oh my gosh, someone's calling me. Oh my god, my brother's just called me and I've just rejected it by accident. But you know, I'm making a video, so just know what to do with it. He's probably at the front door or something right now. That's probably why he's ringing me. So now I'll just apply a blusher. Cheesy smile. Okay. And I'll just take a brush, and I don't know what this is. This was like my friend gave it me. Just take a brush like this. Sorry if I'm rushing. I haven't got enough. It's ringing the house phone now. Now just apply your mascara. It's the Falsies Volume Express. And just apply that all over the lashes. Don't you think this gives my eyes a really, really cute effect? I absolutely love this mascara. And now I'm using this Colourpop lip gloss finally to finish off. Again. And that's all I do. And thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe guys, and make sure you watch the story. Bye guys!